Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Uber and Lyft win a court block on deactivations. Of course they do. Why wouldn't they? They want to be able to deactivate you for any reason at any time, and they don't want to be able to offer you any sort of upfront information to let you know that you're going to be deactivated. So of course they want to do that. Plus they've been fighting this whole law in New York City anyway.
Yeah, I mean their point is that this opens a can of worms, and the privacy of the rider is in question. That's why Uber and Lyft are arguing this. Saying that, part of this bill or part of this law, if it does, well, not stop now, but I'm pretty sure the other side is going to go back, is that by letting the driver know 2 weeks before is not Uber's, rebuttal here. But part of this package is also that the rider information is going to come out. Like, who was the rider? Okay, what's the number one complaint, Chris, when I get? Yeah, they deactivated me. Yeah, I appealed. Yeah, I don't even know who it was, right? Right? And then you ask Uber, like, what trip was it? Who was it? They go like, oh, we're not going to tell you that because rider privacy. That's what Uber is doing here, and Lyft are doing, saying that, we don't want to jeopardize the privacy of the rider. Well, it could be a rider that's an asshole that complained with no reason whatsoever, fraudulently, and then you deactivate me with no reason whatsoever. And then now what, right? So federal judge ruled that New York City cannot prohibit Uber Technologies and Lyft from deactivating drivers from their apps without advance notice. We'll find out. We'll follow up on this, because this is a big deal. U.S. District Judge said that the law adopted earlier this year benefit a small fraction of drivers while interfering with the ride-hailing companies' right to police safety of their platform.
Sounds like somebody got in the pocket.
I don't know. I mean, I think this will go, and then I'm sure there'll be some sort of an agreement, on this topic, because the activation is a big problem. That's one of the top 3-4 complaints of drivers, and it has been for 10 years.
Yep.
And this was a law that I thought would cure that, because there's other states that have this, right? The activation appeal, like Washington State has it, and they tried, and Uber and Lyft with their high-priced lawyers went in and got it overturned for now. But we'll find out.
Yep.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.